Putting it down in Santa Rosa, maybe a good idea is Old Red and Marquette Springs. They'll basically come up. Which group want to come up and
Copy, we need a unit to head to Old Red.
Sheriff's Office! Sheriff's Office! Where you at? Where you at?
Help, right here! Come on! Screw your shoe! Come on, she's disabled.
All right, let me get her feet. Let me get her feet.
Her husband's right behind you.
Sheriff 1, Sam 4, we're doing a carry out.
Ready?
Hold up. There's a house on fire. Let's go. Oh, you gotta get her up. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay. Watch your leg.
Sir!
You gotta go!
Get your car!
Reevely needs to get out. The fire's right there. Other unit, you were covered.
2-8, can you get out?
2-8, I'm out. I can't confirm the residents were evacuated. I banged on the windows once. But this looks like they weren't home.
I copy. George 2-8 is out. Unknown if the residents got out. You banged on the windows.
I'm off Redwood Hill.
A2 audible B1.
Careful copies.
5-4. George 7 is me. 555.
Sheriff 1, Sam 4, we need to make a priority evacuation now, Mark West Springs area.
Copy that. We're trying to get the fire department to handle it.
Copy. We all have to evacuate the hill, so we're coming off now.
Copy. You're coming off the hill now.
Units up on the hill, be advised. Correction. Mark West is nearly impassable at this point. Fuck.
The fire is on the north side of Mark West. 490 copy.
I copy. George 4, start that direction. Ocean 6 as well. We're dropped off our 2 elderlies at 4300 Wallace with friends.
No, fuck, I gotta get out of here.
Copy.
Oh, don't hit me. God damn it. Fuck. I gotta get out of here. I'm in a bad spot. Ooh.
Sheriff 1, George 82.
82.
I'm out with a resident on Reevely. He's at 2020 Reevely. He says he's got 2 tankers with 10,000 gallons of water each if fire needs it.
Okay.
Four 9 Sam 4, don't pass. Do not pass.
George 4.
Copy.
Sheriff 1 Sam 4. What have we done on Fountain Grove area?
Nothing on Fountain Grove. Should we have Santa Rosa go that way?
Hey, firm. We got to keep pushing the evacuations as far west as we can. As I said, CAL FIRE advised they don't have a lot of containment, so they're going to continue to push the fire. We got to be ready to evacuate all the way to 101 in my mind. God damn!
21 and copy all advice my department.
Camper, and I'm not.
621 Sam 2. I started Thomas Lake Harris as soon as I knew where the fire is going.
Sonoma County Sheriff's Office, this is a mandatory evacuation order. Leave your homes. Sonoma County Sheriff's Office, mandatory evacuation order. Leave your homes. Sonoma County Sheriff's Office, mandatory evacuation order. Leave your homes. Sam 4, I'm en route till they say otherwise.
Sam 4 is out to George 3. 280.
for anyone I'm with them. You can cancel. Elderly lady get out of the house.
10-4. It looks like everybody's leaving. There's still a few. We still need to do door to door. If we can get a unit here to do that. Go! 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 Go!